Hello everyone, and today is Genawi with you again from smartphone technology, and I want to teach you today about a site very quickly that can help you mining money for $1, between $1 to $100 easy per day. So before we start, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up so you can always be updated at the new videos that I will made and give you more and more. Let's start with the site that called coinmagic. This is the site. I'm already logged in, signed in, sorry. So I will show you how to sign up. Sign up here. You put here 2 times your mail, your real mail, because it will be your username, and here you put double time the password. Create account. Okay, that's it for sign up. Login is here. I'm already logged in, so I'll put login. Let's wait a second. Okay, I'm signed in right now, like you see here. When you start to sign in, you will start as a speed for mining at 100 GH per second. I have 125 per second because I referral 4 people then by my referral account, by my referral link, and it will be below the description. At every referral you have, you will get 5.0 GH/s speed. So how do I have 125, you ask? When I used 4 time referral, so I get 20 GH/s. That's very simple. Okay, if you get down below this site, you will see here I have mining also the power. So I have mining the power in 3 days. I got 5.0.1 even in 3 days. Okay, so here I'm also mining $1, so I can withdraw my PayPal money $1 minimum, but not for PayPal. It's work for payeer, and here for this account BTC, and for Bitcoin, and like you see BTC here, LTC, Doge, ETH, all of this you can mine a lot of them together, but you have to choose the power. The power is for all of them together is 100 maximum. So like you see here below, I put 50-50, so I can't use it anymore, not this and not this. So this is how it works. You only leave your site that will work automatically for you, mining automatically for you. You don't have to do anything, just referral people. And here is the menu. The menu that you will need to know is mining, is partner. Here you can see your referral account, so you can give it to people if you want them to sign in by your referral. This is my referral if you want to sign by my referral. Okay, I will not get from you any money, it's free. You can see here I had 4 referrals, okay, and I had 20 GH per second by these 4 referrals. So if you want to withdraw also, you have to go to menu, you have to go to withdraw. Here you have to check whatever you want to withdraw from. Let's say $1, like I use right now. Okay, here he tell me to put my ID of payeer. Okay, but I need minimum $1 so I can get it out. Okay, so I can withdraw. Now we want you to know another thing about this power that you have. If you have more power by the speed that you get GH per second, I want to show you something that will help you more, and it depends how much referral you did get. Okay, let's see below, because it's speed, so mining is it's very good. So if you put here on the eye, you can see how you can get per hour, per day, per month, per second. See here the same thing, but here is not that fast, because it's not really fast. 125. I saw people on YouTube that have more than 400.0, so it's very fast. And here you can see that I can get per hour 0.0005, per day 0.01, per month 0.3, and per year 4.07. If you wanted to get more faster, you have to lower the speed. Let's say lower the speed here. Okay, and here put more speed, and we will refresh the site. It's automatically saved the your options. I refresh the site right now. Okay, you see now, if you put here, you can see that you can get per a year $7. Okay, that's better. And per hour, before it told me 0.0005, now 0.0008. It's more faster. 0.0002 before 0.01. That's how it works. So that's all you need to know how to work with this site. I will leave it at 50-50. It's the best. I only used this site for 3 days right now, and I had already this money account, so it's not that much, but I always working, so I leave this site working alone. I don't use it, so it's good. That is all about this site. I wish it was good and you loved my video. If it was helpful, great. Don't forget to thumbs up. If you have any question that you want to ask, you can ask freely in the comments below. And thanks for watching.